Welcome to Clever Mum. Cooking with your kids isn't just about making meals, it's about fostering creativity, teamwork, and healthy habits. In this video, we'll take a fun and practical approach to getting your kids involved in the kitchen, building both skills and unforgettable memories. Here's how we'll break it down. Let's start with why cooking together matters. It's more than just making food. It's about teaching valuable life skills, nurturing their creativity, building confidence, and giving kids a sense of ownership in what they eat. And let's not forget, this is a journey for the parents too. Here's a thought-provoking question to kick things off. What's your earliest memory of being in the kitchen? Maybe it involved cracking an egg with a little too much enthusiasm, sneaking a taste of cookie dough, or simply watching someone in your family create magic over a stove. Those moments are the foundation of something deeper. Not just memories, but bonding experiences that stay with us for life. To bring this concept to life, imagine a young child squealing with laughter as they stir a bowl of chocolate batter, while their parent gently guides their tiny hand. Or picture a teenager lighting up with pride as they flawlessly saute veggies for the first time. These small moments add up to lasting connections, and they all start in the heart of the home, the kitchen. When you involve kids in cooking, you're encouraging them to develop confidence, creativity, and critical thinking through something as simple as preparing a meal. The kitchen becomes more than just a place for chores, it's a space to connect. In this video, we're going to guide you through practical, age-appropriate strategies to bring your kids into the cooking process seamlessly. Whether you have a curious toddler or a budding teenage chef, we've got something for everyone. We'll share fun activities designed to engage kids in meal prep, easy steps to add educational value to your cooking sessions, and tips to maintain that sweet balance between fun and safety. So, where do we go from here? First, we'll break this into manageable stages for different age groups. Toddlers and young kids will focus on sensory experiences and basics like naming colors and stirring mixes. Slightly older kids can dive into measuring, cracking eggs, or chopping softer ingredients with kid-safe tools. For tweens and teens, it's all about giving them more independence, letting them experiment with recipes, and creating meals from scratch. Along the way, we'll also share creative activities like decorating fun dishes or designing meals as a family. Doesn't that sound like a recipe for fun and connection? Stay tuned as we dive into all these ideas and much more. We'll discuss setting up a kitchen that's safe and fun for kids, show you how to sneak in educational moments, and even offer tips for celebrating their cooking achievements. By the end of this video, you'll feel inspired and equipped to start your own culinary traditions with your children, ones that build skills, boost confidence, and create cherished memories. Cooking together is more than meal prep. It's a meaningful way to bond, teach, and celebrate the joy of food. Let's get started. And now, as we wrap up, let's talk about how to make these moments in the kitchen truly impactful and long-lasting. Positive reinforcement is key here. Celebrate everything your kids do in the kitchen, their effort, their enthusiasm, and their creativity. Even when things don't turn out perfectly, make sure they feel proud of what they've accomplished. After all, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress, confidence, and the joy of learning. Why not take it a step further? When the meal is ready, sit down as a family and share it together. Let them talk about what they made, how they made it, and how they felt during the process. It gives your children a sense of ownership and pride, and it strengthens the family bond. These little celebrations create lasting memories that your kids will cherish for a lifetime. To help you get started, we've included actionable tips in this video, everything from age-appropriate tasks to creative, engaging activities. And we hope you'll give them a try. There's so much to discover and enjoy when you bring your kids into the kitchen. Why not start tomorrow with a fun little challenge, like making the most colourful salad or the coolest pancake shapes? Remember, strong habits start early, and the kitchen is a great place to begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with other parents. And subscribe to Clever Mum for more tips and ideas on raising happy, healthy, and confident kids. Together, let's create memories that last a lifetime.